Hello and welcome, everyone. In this video, we'll guide you through the kiosk settings of the User and Kiosk app. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you've already subscribed, thank you for being a part of our community. Let's get started. First, navigate to the User and Kiosk app admin panel and open the Kiosk Settings tab. Here, you'll find all the settings related to the Kiosk app. Note, you can use this app on a tablet or any browser-supported device as a self-service kiosk for your restaurant or business. Let's begin with the settings. Enable tips. Turn this on to allow customers to add a tip while placing an order through the Kiosk app. Is payment required? When enabled, users will be required to complete a payment while placing an order via the kiosk. Enable auto receipt print. Activating this option will automatically print the order receipt after a customer completes an order through the kiosk. Enable coupon. This option allows users to apply coupon codes in the cart. Note, to use this feature, you must install and activate the Vitepos Pro plugin on your WordPress site. Kiosk app name. Here, you can customize the name of your kiosk app to match your brand or outlet. Kiosk app link. By default, the kiosk app has a pre-generated URL. If you'd like the kiosk to open a different landing page, simply select the desired page from the list and click Save. The kiosk app will then redirect to that selected page. Next is the Add Kiosk Outlet User setting. This allows you to assign a default user to your kiosk device. Click the Add Customer button to create a new customer to use as the default kiosk user. Alternatively, you can also assign an existing customer as the default user if you prefer. In this example, we're setting up David, one of our existing customers, as the default user for the California outlet. Now let's look at the kiosk payment settings. There are two available payment methods. Vitepos payment. This supports all payment gateways that are integrated with Vitepos. WooCommerce payment. This supports all payment gateways configured through WooCommerce. Enable the payment method you'd like to use and click Save. Now let's walk through a sample order using Vitepos payment. For this demo, we'll be using Stripe as the payment gateway. Start by copying the kiosk app URL. Open a new tab or browser window and paste the link. You'll be redirected to the landing page of the kiosk app. As you can see, we're automatically logged in as our configured default user, David Mike. Now, select a few products and click the Order Now button. You'll see all the enabled Vitepos payment methods appear here. Since we enabled Stripe in the admin panel, it's available as a payment option. Please provide the necessary payment details to proceed with placing the order. The order is placed successfully using Stripe via Vitepos payment. Now, let's return to the Kiosk Settings tab in the admin panel. The second payment method is WooCommerce payment. Using this option, you can accept payments through any WooCommerce supported payment gateway. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.